Luke, I am a Nomad's Projects. Okay guys, I know we're in the middle of a different project here, but it's time to break out the Kreg Jig. After unboxing the Kreg Jig, I had to try it out, so I measured my plywood. It was 3/4 of an inch. I adjusted the stop flange on the drill bit to 3/4 of an inch. I made sure Baby Vader had a good vantage point, and I set the pocket guide to the correct depth. Lastly, I adjusted the clamp. Before promptly drilling my first pocket holes ever on the wrong side of the board. I then put on the safety gear that I had forgotten in my excitement. After learning from my mistakes, I drilled new holes on the correct side this time. The joints in the box I'm making doesn't really need much strength. Because of the bevel on one side of the box, I couldn't just turn the workpiece around, but I used it anyway. And then I fixed the side that I had drilled correctly. Finally, I reinforced the side where I made the mistake. That's it guys, it was a quick one this time, but I wanted to share the unboxing with you because this handy little jig will see a lot of use in my workshop. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing, and as always I will get back to you guys on any comments. Hope you liked the video, catch you in the next one.